Sahibzada Mohammad Shahid Khan Afridi, known as Shahid Afridi, is a former Pakistani cricketer and the captain of the Pakistani national cricket team. Afridi is widely considered as one of the most popular and destructive cricketers. An all-rounder, Afridi bowled leg spin and was recognized for his aggressive batting. However, in this video, we are going to talk about Shahid Afridi's luxurious lifestyle, family, spouse and children, career and awards, physical stats, controversies, net worth, for our favorite things, professional debut, unknown facts, house biography, and everything. So please watch this video till the end. Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Shahid Afridi's quick biography. Born name Sahibzada Mohammad Shahid Khan Afridi. Nickname Shahid Boom Boom Lala. Occupation Pakistani cricketer all-rounder. Ethnicity Asian. He is of Pashtun Afridi tribe descent. Zodiac signs Pisces. Date of birth 1st March 1980. Age 41 years. Place of birth Khyber Agency, Pakistan. Nationality Pakistani. Religion Islam. Net worth. According to several media reports, Shahid Afridi's net worth in Pakistani rupees is 5 billion, which is 30 million US dollars in 2022. Manager. He is represented by Ameem Haq, manager and sports agent, Flamenco Sports, Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Shahid Afridi's family details. Father Sahibzada Fazl ur Rahman Afridi. Mother not known, died. Siblings Tariq Afridi, brother. Iqbal Afridi, brother. Mushtaq Afridi, brother. Ashfaq Afridi, brother. Shoaib Afridi, brother. Shahid Afridi's spouse and children. Nadia Afridi 2000 to present. Shahid got married to his maternal cousin Nadia in 2000. The couple has 5 daughters together. Aqsa Afridi, daughter. Ansha Afridi, daughter. Asmara Afridi, daughter. Arwa Afridi, daughter. Ajwa Afridi, daughter. Shahid Afridi's favorite things. Cricketer, batsman, Javed Miandad and Chris Gale. Bowler, Wasim Akram and Imran Khan. Food, kebabs, chicken biryani, kheer and ice cream. Actor, Amir Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. Film, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Shahid Afridi's physical stats. Body types, athletic. Height, 6 feet 183 centimeters. Weight, 77 kg or 170 pounds. Eye color, hazel. Hair color, dark brown. Distinctive features, short-cropped, side-parted hair, sports a thick beard, toned physique, infectious smile, has a mole under his left eye. Shahid Afridi's professional debut. Test October 22, 1998 versus Australia in Karachi. ODI October 2, 1996 versus Kenya in Nairobi. T August 20th to 28th, 2006 versus England in Bristol. Shahid Afridi's career, records and awards. Batting style, right-handed bat. Bowling style, right arm leg break. Playing role, bowling all-rounder. Favorite shot / ball, hit over mid-wicket / googly. Nature on field, very aggressive. Likes to play against India. Records, main ones, for 19 years he had the record for the fastest century in ODIs. He has 44 ducks in ODIs plus Test plus T20s. 32 times he has won the Man of the Match award, the most by any Pakistani and the third highest in the world. Pakistan has won 212 out of the 384 ODIs that he has played. Other records, holds the record for taking the most wickets as captain in T20 is 40. Most runs conceded by a bowler in his T20I career, 2,362. The first ever player to score a hat-trick in 10-over format for Pakhtuns versus Maratha Arabians, 3-19, 2.0. 2017 T10 Cricket League. Career turning point, in his second ODI match against Sri Lanka in 1996, he scored a 37-ball century. Awards, on March 23, 2010, Afridi was awarded the Pride of Performance by President of Pakistan Asif Ali Zardari. On March 23, 2018, he was awarded the Sidra-i-Imtiaz by President of Pakistan Mamnoon Hussain. Shahid Afridi's controversies. In 2005, he was banned for 2 ODIs and a test match after cameras caught him intentionally scrapping up the pitch with his boots in a test match against England. In 2007, during the 3rd ODI against Pakistan at Kanpur, he had a verbal fight with Gautam Gambhir after having a collision with each other. In 2010, he interviewed that the squad had been selected without his consultation, after which PCB gave him an official warning. After winning the Asia Cup in 2012, he was caught on camera pushing up a fan at the Karachi airport after the return from Dhaka. Once Shoaib Akhtar hit Mohammad Asif with a bat and after it, he accepted his mistake and said that Afridi provoked him during the incident. On April 3, 2018, he posted a provocative tweet in which he urged the United Nations, UN, to make an interference in the matter of the Indian-occupied Kashmir, and take measures to prevent the killing of innocents. Shahid Afridi's unknown facts. He first came into the spotlight after he picked 42 wickets in just 5 games, helping his domestic team Karachi Whites win the championship in the 1995-1996 season. Shahid was then drafted into the Pakistan national team in October 1996 and scored a 37-ball 100 in just his 2nd ODI, which was a world record at that time. He made his Test debut in October 1998 and had already played 66 ODIs before that, which was also a world record then. He was the joint leading wicket-taker, with 21 wickets, at the 2011 ICC World Cup. In 2014, he founded the Shahid Afridi Foundation, to help provide healthcare and education facilities for underprivileged kids in Pakistan. He has also been roped in by UNICEF to work for their anti-polio campaign in the tribal region of Waziristan. In 2017, he became the first cricketer to take a hat-trick in the nascent T10 format of the game. As of February 2020, he held the record for hitting the most number of sixes in ODIs. He was honored with the Pride of Performance Award in 2010 by the Pakistani government and the Sidra-i-Imtiaz in 2018. Shahid Afridi's house address. Shahid Afridi lives in a luxurious house which is located in Defence Housing Authority, Clifton Cantonment, Karachi. Shahid Afridi's social media. Facebook. 13 million followers plus. Twitter. 1.6 million followers plus. Instagram. 2.9 million followers plus. YouTube. 1.02 million subscribers plus.